X-Men Karma is one of my favorite X-Men characters and a founding member of the New Mutants. And meron siyang significance sa Spider-Man Brand New Day. So if you're wondering kung anong significance niya, just keep on watching. Let's begin. Okay, sino ba si Karma? She is Shankoy and a Vietnamese. She has a twin brother with similar power/abilities and she is an amputee, part of the LGBTQ community. Dito na merong significant. She debuted on a Spider-Man comic along with the Fantastic Four. So, Spider-Man comic. And they made a Spider-Man Brand New Day movie. So, spoiler na guys, Jean Grey. Okay, bakit si Jean Grey? In the first half of the movie, Jean Grey is basically the villain. She is possessing people. That's her first mutant ability here guys. Kasi na-elevate pa siya, pero focus lang tayo sa possession ability. Karma's main mutant ability is possession. So, in the Brand New Day Spider-Man movie, Jean is using her possession to look for her sister Sarah. So, in the comics, ang siblings ni Karma are being held by her uncle. So, parang siyang leverage na ginagamit kay Karma. So, Karma is working for her uncle, doing the bad things. Basically, her twin brother possesses the Fantastic Four, and then Karma possesses her brother, permanently took her brother. That's very complicated. Another story pa yun guys. Pero, at the end of the day, Mr. Fantastic appointed Karma to Charles Xavier. That's how she became an X-Men and became a leader and founding member of the New Mutants. That's the origin of Karma, and relate talaga siya sa Spider-Man Brand New Day. So they really replaced Karma into Jean Grey, which is bittersweet. We finally have a main X-Men character in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. Pero sad pa rin kasi they eliminated this small character which is Karma. And meron rin silang similarities ni Jean. They both have pink powers. Pero dito sa Spider-Man Brand New Day, walang ka-pink na pink ang powers ni Jean. What do you think about the replacement of Karma into Jean Grey? Goods ba yun or not?